Hello friends, let us study the graph of f of cosx, that is function cosx. So you can see my cosx graph is in the given domain of 0 to pi and in the range of 1 to -1 or -1 to 1. Now we are supposed to find out inverse of this given function, that is cos inverse x. We are supposed to find out the graph of this particular function of cos inverse x. So to do that, the first thing which I have done is I have kept a stencil here. So see, this stencil will match with my cosx. Yes. So you can see my graph of my cosx. Now when we take inverse, as the law says, inverse is a reflection about the line y is equals to x. So this is the line which is y is equals to x. So I am going to reflect this graph about this given line. So it is going to be like this. So I am going to flip this up, and the graph of cos inverse x is going to look something like this. If you can see, I hope there is no reflection now. So you can see my cosx graph has reflected about the line y is equals to x, and this is the new graph which is of cos inverse x. Now you see the new range and the new domain. So the new domain has become now -1 to 1, and the range has become from 0 to pi. So that is the graph of cos inverse x, where the domain of cos x becomes range of cos inverse and vice versa. I hope it is clear from this. So this was my initial graph of cos x. See here. This was my initial graph. You can see the domain and range. Domain was 0 to pi and range was -1 to 1. Now it has reflected about y is equals to x. So it becomes like this, about y is equals to x. So the graph entirely gets flipped and domain and range gets interchanged. So I hope it is clear from this. So the thing which was horizontal has become vertical now, and the thing which was vertical has become horizontal. So this becomes my domain and this becomes my range for the graph of cos inverse x. I hope it is clear. Thank you.